Oh my God, you're vegan. Why do you want to eat things that look like eggs? Hey guys, what's up? It's Gretchen's Vegan Bakery with another one of my favorite candies, veganized. The Cadbury Creme Egg for Easter is such a simple recipe to make, you will be pleasantly surprised. All you need is a couple of ingredients that I know you already have, and then some chocolate, and the only thing special would be the egg mold to make them. But otherwise, it is a super simple project, perfect for your Easter baskets or for an amazing Easter cake like I made here. Be sure to check out that masterpiece, but first we have to make the Cadbury Creme Eggs. Oh my God, how dare you eat something that looks like an egg? First, get the vegan butter and corn syrup into a mixing bowl, a pinch of salt, and just start mixing. Once it's creamed smooth, you can start adding in the confectioner sugar a spoonful at a time and continue whipping until it's all incorporated. It will be this billowy, fluffy bowl of sugary goodness, and then you can add the vanilla extract. Take out just about a quarter cup to color yellow for the centers, and then the rest stays white. You can use yellow food coloring, or turmeric powder works great too. With tempered chocolate or candy melt, you will fill your chocolate mold. I'm using tempered chocolate today, and I do have an entire video tutorial on how to do that, so just click the link below if you want to learn how to temper your own chocolate. Otherwise, candy melts require none of the extra work, and I do have links below for some really great vegan candy melts you can buy on Amazon. I fill the cavities to the top and then flip the mold over to let the excess drip out. Just let that excess chocolate set up and you can reuse it over and again. Now take a spatula to scrape off the excess, making really clean edges for those little half eggshells. Once the chocolate has set, you can start filling them up with a small piece of the white cream filling. Just don't go all the way to the top though, because if you overfill them when you place the other half on top, it will just start busting out the sides. Not that I know from experience or anything. Next, you'll pop a small piece of the yellow cream filling into half of the eggs, and then I like to freeze the whole thing for just about 5 minutes. Now, apparently I didn't turn on my camera when I flipped them out of the molds, but luckily I do have some footage from my past life when I made these with a different chocolate mold, but the idea is still the same. Now you'll just stick the halves together, and I take a warm saute pan and run 1/2 over it just to remelt some of that chocolate, and then they stick together perfectly. No need for piping bags filled with chocolate or paintbrushes to get them to stick together. And that's it! I did drizzle mine with some white chocolate and a sprinkling of Easter nonpareils for a really cute look. The candy foil wrapping is optional, but makes them kinda look authentic looking. If you do opt for that, I link below this video for everything, so if you want to pick up all the things I'm using in this video, be sure to click through. Also, grab the recipe at gretchensveganbakery.com and look out for my Easter bunny butt cake coming in a couple of days. Alright, thanks to everyone for watching my video. If you liked it, don't forget to give me a like, and I would love it if you would subscribe here to my channel for more great recipes and cake decorating weekly. I want to give a special thank you to my patrons on Patreon and my pals in PayPal for the tremendous support you guys are giving me. The cost to make these videos and offer my recipes for free is surely offset by your generosity, so thank you is just really never enough. If you think you can help me continue sharing my recipes and making YouTube videos, click the links below to find out how. For as little as $1 a month, you could be a huge help, and I thank you in advance. Alright everyone, until next time, happy baking and happy Easter. Bye for now.